Hello everyone, Birgit here. I want to share 3 points today which I think are very essential, necessary if you want to have success online with your online business. The first point, you have to really want it. So there has to be a strong desire. It's not just, oh, let's try, let's see how it goes. You have to really want it and set your intention to really to learn and become successful. The second point is you have to be consistent in your daily actions. So make a plan what you want to do every day, what you want to accomplish, and have 2 or 3 important points you have to do every day. Then if you have more time you can add more, of course. So the first point was you really have to want it. The second is be consistent, do it every day, not a little bit here, a little bit there, really go for it. And the third point, expect success. Really do expect to become successful, to be a success if you follow the steps. And it depends also, of course, what program or what company or what team you join. But if you do, you should choose one which has a step-by-step plan in place, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel and just follow the steps. And if you do, then nothing can go wrong. So as I repeat, really you have to really want it, be consistent and expect success to happen, and it will. Now you have to add a bit patience, of course. It might not happen overnight, but it will, and it will happen for you too. Until next time, bye bye.